What's up, man? Pulls TV here with another video. Finna go put some new wheels on the truck, man. We finna get ready to put the grill in it, man. So y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. Alright, man, here go the new wheels. Just some rallies. They ain't the rallies with the holes in them, but with the deal I caught on them, man, I didn't even care. Just some plain rallies, man. Got that tire look brand new. That tire look brand new. That one look alright. This one had it, so I gotta get one tie. Now we finna try to wash these up, man. Try to see how clean we can get them, man. Y'all stay tuned for this. Chrome polish rust remover on them, man. We finna see how good this stuff work, man. Hopefully get all this rust off here, man. Y'all stay tuned. New grill. Got the truck idling, man. Got the rallies on it. Got the new rallies on it, man. Looking good. Alright, but man, y'all stay tuned for the next video, man.